утра. Фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра, разбитая
Now Buck found himself with his own kind. How far he has traveled to find his home.